Arun, this is a video about how to use the solver to solve our synchronous motor pullout torque problem. Instead of doing all of what I did, there's a much easier way if you know how to use the solver. So I'm going to take all this out. Remember, we had 64.8 degrees as the solution. And what I can do is I can just change this until I get the value here that I want. Okay, so the value doesn't have to be numeric, it can be a maximum. It's the nice thing about the solver. So where's my solver add-in? I assume that I have it. There it is. Now I'll have it. Oops. All right, so I'm going to maximize this with the solver. How do I get to it? Here it is, under data for some reason. Now, I'm going to set my objective function is going to be E10. It knows that because I had that selected, I guess. And I want to maximize it by changing that. Hit return. Subject to the constraints, I have no constraints. I could constrain it to be, well, I think it'll give me the solution there, 64 degrees. You can constrain it to other things. So now let's, add, no constraints. Make, yes, this is fine. Now solve it. Found a solution. See it over there, 64.82939. Much easier than copying and pasting. Well, I don't know if it's easier or not. Conceptually, I guess it's more complex. So I want to keep this solution. Okay. And there it is. solver is very useful.